Hello, this is my family. She is my mother and is housewife. He is my father and is farmer. They are my brothers and are lawyers. She is my sister and too is lawyer. They are my grandparents and are farmer and houses. This is my uncle. He is electrician. She is my cousin and is a student.
Hello, my name is Citlali Sibel Morales Hernandez. My mother is called Ángel Hernández Camarena. He is a dentist.
My father's name is Martin, the works of fisherman. I have a brother. He is teacher. His name is Kevin.
Hello, this is my family. She is my mom and is a secretary. He is my father and is a teacher. He is my sister and he is a nurse. And she is my aunt and is a doctor.